How to do 3D glasses effect in Davinci Resolve. With the playhead above your video, go to the Fusion page. Drag a transform node after the media in node and release it when the line turns blue. Right-click on the center property, and choose Modify with Shake. Now that the Modifiers tab is enabled, set smoothness to 2, minimum to 0.48, and maximum to 0.52. Press Shift plus space, search for frame average, and add it after transform node. Set frames to 2. Drag a color corrector node after frame average node and release it when the line turns blue. From this color wheel, choose a color you like. Connect media into the input of media out to remove the current connection and make a new connection. Connect output of color corrector to the output of media in node to merge them. Select the merge node and set apply mode to hypotenuse. To add another color to the effect, select these 3 nodes, and press Ctrl plus C to copy them. Click anywhere empty and press Ctrl plus V to paste them. Connect media into the new transform node and color corrector to output of merge node to create another merge. Set apply mode of the new merge node to hypotenuse. Select the duplicated color corrector node and choose another color. Select the duplicated transform node and in the modifiers tab, click on the recede button to change the initial state of the shake modifier. At last, go back to the edit page.